Now read that sum.
A ball rolls from the top of a stairway with a horizontal velocity u meter per second. If the steps are h meter high and v meter wide, the ball will hit the edge of the nth step if and given options.
Okay, ठीक है. तो ये suppose steps है ऐसा 1 2 3 4 5 6 steps है ना. From here ball is rolling down. With what horizontal velocity they have given?
Say u meter per second.
U. And what is height of each vertical height?
H.
Each height is given, I think
H.
h. तो total अगर n stair है तो nh हो जाएगा. And horizontal कितना है horizontal?
Sir, b meter.
nb हो जाएगा बराबर.
Sir.
Now, because it has got two motion, horizontal, vertical, so time taken for covering nh distance and nb distance must be same. So for vertical motion, initial velocity in vertical direction is 0. U along y direction is 0. So s equals to u along y into t plus half a into t square. S along y is nh. Coming downwards, so negative. This is 0 into t plus half minus g into t square. So minus nh is minus half gt square. Therefore, t will become 2 times nh upon g in root. Let this be equation number 1. Now for horizontal motion, distance covered is ns equal to ut plus half. Acceleration नहीं है इसलिए 0 t square. So this is nb equals to u and t is root of twice nh upon g in root. Now squaring we get n square t square equals to u square to nh upon g. nh upon g. Ek n I can cancel. What we want to find? Hello?
So it will hit the nth edge at the end step.
N we want, na, that means n. So it is 2 times u square h upon gb square. So n step is this much. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Acha, Kathan, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
You have solved this sum. How you solved this sum?
Sir, like this.
Like this method you follow?
Yes, then sir, I didn't get exact answer.
No, but I saw your answer. Hitarth has also done same way. Hitarth?
No, exact means in the
Sir.
this.
How you got this answer?
Close.
Sir, the same method, but in the last I did a round off. Matlab same answer I didn't got, but I chose it from the option.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. But this method now you followed properly?
Yes, sir. Followed
Yes,
it.
sir.
देखो जब भी ऐसा दिखा ना आपको दो मोशन है तो वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल के लेके करो आ जाएगा सवाल.
Yes.
You copy the solution of 41 of the. See, I have not sent the solution of that because that is from all the questions which I have given you to practice. So when we are solving that class, that doubt solving which we do no every day. So this test paper was from that only. Complete full. Once you have completed, please guide me. Nandini,
Yes, sir.
you have performed excellently.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Even I think Pranjali got, no, Arya got 164, na Arya?
No, sir. I have got 148 only.
164, then Pranjali you got, beta?
Yes, sir.
सबका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है. Every test you have to do same way. करण क्या हो गया? करण अनय थोड़ा पीछे आ गए.
Yes, sir. This test was a little difficult, sir.
No, no, it was not difficult. In fact, it would be easier because we had practiced so many sums of that type only. Maybe you might not have practiced, thinking that ke easy hai. This 2 years, see, every day is challenging for you. Complete fast. Okay. Last class, if you remember, where we.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, just a minute.
okay, okay, okay. Hello? Yeah? Good morning. नहीं 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 मुझे नहीं 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 नहीं.
Sir, done. Hello.
हाँ यस कंप्लीटेड.
Yes, yes. Sir.
एकदम आराम से सिखा रहा हूँ, टेंशन मत लेना थोड़ा. Last class I think we had, I have given you that planner. How many of you are able to stick to that, or you find it is too much given to you? Please tell that first. Is it manageable with you all? So your silence says that you want more homework. This is too less for you all. मतलब जम रहा है क्या? और you want me to?
Sir,
हाँ.
it's fine, but I couldn't do it.
No, dear, that way see.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir,
I know that it may be difficult, it may be sometimes taxing, but इसके सिवाय ना नहीं मिलेगा मार्क. तो
yes,
ये
sir, yes, sir.
रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसलिए हम लोग इतना टेंशन ले रहे हैं ना. नहीं तो क्यों?
No, no, sir, I'm saying it's easy, but get to do it.
हाँ, say what you are saying.
Sir, I was saying that it is not difficult to do, but I couldn't get to do it.
Okay, all of you please snatch your precious time.
Because sir, in 2 days now, it's all tests and all. Because yesterday my dad got positive.
Kathan, no problem. All excuses are welcome. We have to get rid of all the excuses, because at the end of 2 years, when you get that 2 sweet letter D and R, then all your pain will vanish. So, okay, take care and try to complete. Because
Yes, sir, I'll complete this.
fine. So anybody else is having any difficulty in completing the homework part? Be frank.
Sir, only 5-6 sums are left. I did this.
Who is saying this?
Rita.
Hitarth. I think Hitarth, even 5-6 you can do if you keep that target. जब तक ये होएगा नहीं, I won't get up. क्योंकि इतना किया तो 5-6 हो जाता है. But yes,
हाँ, sir.
then you have to fight. Willpower should be strong. अभी वैभव का
Yes.
परफॉर्मेंस देखो, एकदम एक्सीलेंट. वैभव got highest, I think 168. वैभव,
Yes, sir.
too good performance. ये maintain रखो, and nobody should be bothered from textbook what we are doing. Reason textbook is too small. If only 11th is to be taught, I can complete your entire syllabus in 1 month. That means in 30 hours I can complete everything. Don't go for textbook, because they will not ask anything related to textbook except the concept. मतलब वो touch करके ही जाएगा. Now, as per planner, how many sums we should have completed by today?
140.
140, sir.
140. And I have solved your doubt till what? I think 50 or 60?
55.
55. Okay. 75 तक कंप्लीट करता हूं. अगर हो गया फिर नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करता हूं. मतलब ऑलरेडी विच वी आर डूइंग दैट सर्कुलर वाला. सर्कुलर कराया था ना आपको 1 मिनट. मोशन
हाँ,
अलोंग
sir.
Laws of motion.
नहीं, लॉ ऑफ मोशन नहीं था, उसका नाम था, हाँ, लॉ ऑफ मोशन का हेडिंग में कराया था सर्कुलर में. करेक्ट. नाउ आई डिड लास्ट क्लास टिल सम नंबर 53. 54 you all got, or you want me to help? Mohit,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in 54? I think you have not done the homework. Please do. Those who are trying for medical, you have to work really very hard. Engineering student also should work very hard. Reason then only you will get in very good college, and college makes lot of difference getting admission when you are going for MS in very good institute. Chalo, 54, 55 में any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now tell me from
No, sir.
yeah, very good, perfectly काम है आपका. From 57 to 61, 57 होगा ना डाउट?
Yes, sir.
चलो,
Yes.
क्योंकि वो कॉमन डाउट है ना, नया क्वेश्चन है, आपका फॉल्ट नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन समथिंग. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन कॉपी. सबने घड़ी देखा है क्या? करंट घड़ी देखा है आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, घड़ी घड़ी नहीं देखने का. हाँ. So that watch has got how many hand? Second
Second.
hand,
Okay,
minute
3.
hand, 3
Three
hand,
hands, sir.
3 hand,
2.
3 hand. अब इस सेकेंड हैंड अगर एक चक्कर लगाया तो अपना घड़ी कितना आगे जाता है?
1 minute.
1 minute. So can I say time period of seconds and comma t suffix s is 1 minute, that is 60 second or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be time period of minute hand? Time period of
1
minute
hour.
hand.
1 hour.
Yes, sir. 1 hour.
Minute hand equals to 1 hour. Very good.
1 hour, 60.
That is 3600 second. What will be time period of hours hand?
12 hours.
12 hours.
Yes.
12 hour means 12 into 3600 second.
600. Yes, yes, sir.
What will be time period of Earth's rotation about its own axis?
1 day.
24 hours.
Sir, 24 hours.
Very good. About its own axis equals to 24 hours. Fifth, time period of Earth's rotation, Earth's revolution. ये कितना? 365 days.
365 days. Yes.
So this 5 things we have to remember regarding time period of second hand, minute hand, hours hand, Earth's rotation and Earth's revolution. Please write in your book. Write it. And don't take tension. Sunday we don't have test. If you are tensed, I will send test paper. Enjoy this Sunday.
No, no, sir.
Enjoy. इतना रेगुलरली आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं. इवन आई फील पिटी ऑन यू. But test na please write on please send in PDF form from next time so that it can be corrected properly.
Yes.
वो कलरफुल
Okay.
रहेगा तो अच्छा लगता है ना देखने को. राजवर्धन समझा नहीं बेटा ये सब 5 पॉइंट? संदेश?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर सर इसका क्वेश्चंस कहाँ पे है, मतलब कौन से बुक्स में है?
अरे मैंने नोट्स भेजा है ना आपको, कौन बोलते रहते हैं? आर्यन बागवे बोल रहे लगता है।
नहीं सर, राजवर्धन बोल रहा हूँ।
अरे ये नोट्स भेजा है ना राजवर्धन मैंने।
अच्छा, उसमें क्या है
आपको
सर?
आपको नहीं मिला क्या? देखता हूँ।
नहीं सर, देखता चेक करता मैं।
ये सबको भेजा है मैंने कॉमन ग्रुप पे,
ओके।
पीडीएफ फॉर्म में भेजा है, चेक करो एक बार। नहीं होगा तो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना, फिर मैं वापस भेजता हूँ। और विद सॉल्यूशन भी भेजा है मैंने इसका। तो इसलिए तो बीच बीच में पूछ रहे हैं ना सब स्टूडेंट, ये लाइन से किधर पूछ रहे हैं। तो आप भी वो सॉल्यूशन भी ट्राई करो, नहीं आएगा तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन, ऐसा दिया है। टोटल 230 क्वेश्चन है इसमें, 232 कुछ तो। कैन आई क्लियर इट आउट दिस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now with the
Yes,
help of
sir.
this 57th we can solve some number. 57th which you told you didn't follow. Angular velocity of second hand of a watch. Angular velocity is denoted by omega. We got this formula 2 pi by t if you remember. याद है क्या? फिर से बताऊं कैसे आया ये? अनय
सर
करण
बताओ ना फिर से।
फिर से बताओ। ओके, motion along circumference of circle is called as circular motion. The vector drawn from center of circle to the position of particle is called radius vector. Angle traced by radius vector in given interval of time is called as angular displacement. Rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity, denoted by letter omega. Now, for full one cycle, time taken is time period. For full one cycle, distance covered is 360 degree, called as 2 pi radian. इसलिए ओमेगा का फॉर्मूला आया 2 pi by 3.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now we want what is angular velocity of second hand. So I should know time period of second hand. And time period of second hand we have kept in your mind. How many seconds?
60.
60, sir.
Very good. So pi upon 30.
30.
हाँ, यूनिट इज रेडियन पर सेकेंड। हो गया। सो डिफिकल्ट नहीं है आपके लिए, फर्स्ट टाइम है इससे नहीं आ रहा है। कॉपी 57।
So 59.
1 minute. After this 59 you want?
Yes, sir.
59 ठीक। बराबर, ये भी बिकॉज टॉपिक में नहीं है ना इसलिए नहीं समझा। अ स्टोन 59 सॉरी अ बॉडी, फिर 60 पे डाउट होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. A body starting from rest 59. A body starting from rest means initial velocity is 0. Accelerated for 30 seconds. That means there is acceleration applied for 30 seconds. If I remove this acceleration, then Hitarth, what will happen after 30 seconds? 30 seconds तक acceleration दिया, बाद में एक्सेलरेशन निकाल दिया, तो इसके बाद क्या होना चाहिए आपके माइंड से बोलो?
स्टॉप होना चाहिए।
नहीं, वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट हो जाना चाहिए,
हाँ।
बिकॉज जब एक्सेलरेशन नहीं है तो वेलोसिटी इज कांस्टेंट ना। स्टॉप होगा नहीं वो बात की बात है, लेकिन एक्सेलरेशन निकाला तो जो भी वेलोसिटी
वेलोसिटी
30
कांस्टेंट।
है वही वेलोसिटी हमेशा रहेगा।
हम्म।
आगे क्या बोल रहे हैं देखो, x1 x2 x3 आर द डिस्टेंसेस ट्रेवल इन फर्स्ट 10 सेकेंड, नेक्स्ट 10 सेकेंड एंड लास्ट 10 सेकेंड। मतलब 30 सेकेंड में इट इज कवरिंग डिस्टेंस x1 x2 x3, ऐसा ना, फर्स्ट सेकेंड सेकेंड टू लास्ट। दिस द मीनिंग? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we want ratio of x1 is to x2 is to x3. So I have explained, जब भी ऐसा हो गया ना, स्टार्टिंग दिया है तो आप हमेशा स्टार्ट से एंड वाला काम करना, नहीं मतलब स्टार्ट टू दिस पॉइंट, स्टार्ट टू दिस पॉइंट, ऐसे करना, सबट्रैक्ट कर करके बाकी लेके आ जाओ तो आंसर फास्ट आता है। सो O to B, what is distance covered? O to A, x1 है ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether you are remembering. I told कि जब भी ऐसा टाइम वाला फैक्टर होगा इंटरवल पे ड्रॉप्ड में, तो वी विल गेट रेशियो √1, उस दिन क्या था, √2 माइनस
√2 minus √1.
3 माइनस √2, ऐसा है।
Root 3 minus root 2.
अगर डिस्टेंसेस का पूछा है तो बोला था आएगा 1 3 5
1, 3, and 5.
1 3 5 है, 7 9 डॉट डॉट डॉट। अभी चेक करते क्या आएगा, मतलब आंसर अगर अगर फॉलो है तो आंसर तो आपको क्लियर हो गया, 1 3 5 आना चाहिए ना।
हाँ
Yes,
सर.
sir.
चेक करते हैं भैया, टेंशन मत लेना, सब इंपॉर्टेंट है। टाइम एरिया आपको अभी रटना है, बाद में जैसा सीतेश फिगर रट के मार देता है राइट और चल जाता है। सो फॉर OA x1 is 0t plus half at square. So x1 equals to half a, इधर से इधर तक का t कितना है, 10 सेकेंड है ना?
हाँ सर.
10 स्क्वायर। चलो हो गया। अभी O to B क्या होएगा बोलो? O to B x1 plus x2 होएगा ना? O to B
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
half a, what is total time now? 10 plus 10 20 हुआ ना?
20.
20 है.
अभी 10 plus to 20, I want to get x2 इसमें से, so x2 will be half a 20 square minus x1 है ना, half a 10 square, okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but half a common inside 20 square minus 10 square. Let it be like this, afterwards we'll take ratio. ये second है. The O to C is x1 plus x2 plus x3, okay? O to C is x1 plus x2 plus x3 na? So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
half a 30 का square. So x3 will be half a 30 का square minus of x1 plus x2, which is half a 30 का square minus half a 20 का square. Equation एक और लाइन लिखता हूँ, half a common 30 square minus 20 square. Please write equation 1 2 3 तक. Copy for OA, OB, OC. Now it is just one liner after this, because we got x1 also, we got x2 also, we got x3 also. And then you will memorize. Interval में height पूछा तो 135 आएगा. Same distance का time पूछा, when starts from 0 तो √1, √2 minus √1, √3 minus √2 ऐसे आएगा. If complete, please tell her.
Yes, sir. Done.
So you got x1, you got x2, you got x3. Now we have to find ratio. I told I should get answer 135. Let us check. X1 upon x2 equals to half a 10 square, which is 100. This is half a 20 square 400 minus 100. That means 100 upon 300. 1 by 3. X2 upon x3 is half a 400 minus 100 upon half a 900 minus 400. So this is 300 upon 500. That is 3 by 5. So x1 is to x2 is to x3 is 1 is to 3 is to 5. हो गया ना? अभी अगर माइंड में रख सकते हैं तो इतना मेहनत करने का जरूरत नहीं है. You can get the answer instantly. If distances for equal time 135. Time for equal distance, then root 1, root 2 minus root 1, root 3 minus root 2, dot, dot, dot. Yes, now complete fast.
Sir, can you repeat the shortcut method once?
अच्छा, you have completed this, फिर note में लिखा देता हूँ आपको.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Done, sir.
नोट लिखा देता हूँ फिर आपको भूलेंगे नहीं. नोट. First one, whenever body starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration, then ratio of time for equal distances covered equals to root 1 is to root 2 minus root 1 is to root 3 minus root 2 dot dot dot. The ratio of distances in equal time interval equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to dot dot dot. Now clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Done, sir.
Now as per your requirement, sum number 60 I am explaining. A stone is tied to the end of string. Stone is tied to the end of string whose length is 80 centimeter. It is revolved in horizontal circle. ये डायग्राम में वर्टिकल लग रहा है पर उसको ऐसा रिवॉल्व किया इन हॉरिजॉन्टल सर्कल. So length of string becomes radius of rotation 80 centimeter. You can convert into meter by writing 10 raised to minus 2. With constant speed, if the stone makes 25 revolution, stone makes 25 revolution in 14 seconds. Now this becomes revolution per second, which is called frequency, denoted by n. This is called frequency. 25 revolution upon 14 seconds. That means 25 by 14 revolution per second. What is magnitude of acceleration? आज 75 तक डाउट क्लियर करने के बाद मैं इसका डेरिवेशन बता दूंगा. So right now we remember acceleration in circular motion is omega square r. Omega is 2 pi by t. ये तो अभी बताया. And 1 upon t means frequency. This you know from your childhood, into r. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7. N is 25 by 14 square. Into r, 8 into 10 raised to minus 1. 7, 2 into 7 is 14. This equals to 22 upon 7,749 into 25. This I have to write 2 times because it is square. So 25 upon 14. 2 into 7 हो गया. 22 into 25 into 49 2 times. 22 into 25 upon 49 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 1. Answer is very close. They have given 90, 110, 100 and 120. So we have to be very much careful. What is 22 into 22? 484.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और भी देखो ये 50 का नजदीक तो ले सकता हूँ ना. 25 into 2, 25 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. ठीक है? नहीं समझा? 25 14 है.
हाँ sir, got.
So this is nothing but 22 into 22 into 2. So 484, 22 का स्क्वायर है, into 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 4 8, 2 8 is
968, sir.
हाँ, into 10 raised to minus 1 ना. That means
Yes, sir.
96.8, so close to 100. Close to 100.
Sir, in this solution, they have the formula omega is equals to 2 pi b.
2 pi
V.
भी नहीं हो, न्यू बोलते हैं उसको, न्यू.
अच्छा, okay, sir.
Frequency you can denote by 3 letter. N F न्यू. ऐसा रहता है वो, थोड़ा वाकड़ा रहता है भाई, ऐसा. इसको न्यू बोलते हैं, न्यू. After 60, which sum you want?
Sir, 62.
62.
Yes.
देखो ग्राफ वाला भी अच्छा होता है, वो सब आ रहा है आपको ना, ग्राफ वाला. 61 आ गया.
हाँ sir.
ठीक है. 62 you want. After 62, which one? After 62, which sum? Hello? After 62, which sum?
64, sir.
64. 70 तक बताना है आपको, वो मैं लिख लेता हूँ जरा. After 64, which one? अरे सोच रहे मतलब सॉल्व नहीं किया है.
सर नहीं हो
हाँ,
नॉन
after 61, 64, which one? You can't hear?
Sir,
After
65.
65. And
Yes,
after
sir.
65?
69 as well, sir.
Okay. What about 70? No, ना?
सो नो 71
नहीं, पहले 670 तक कर लेता हूँ. 70 you don't want. चलो इधर तक पहले एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. Sum number now 62. A particle moves in xy plane with velocity v along x given by 8t minus 2 and velocity along y is only 2. If it passes through the point x equals to 14 and y equals to 4 at t equals to 2 seconds, then what is equation of the path? What is the equation of the path if it passes through 14 and 4 at 2 seconds? Superb summary. So velocity is given in terms of time along x and y. After 2 seconds, x का value 14 है, y का value 4. After 2 seconds, then find what is the equation of this path. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप, जब भी आपको v दिखा इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम, पहले एक्सेलरेशन निकाल लो. ये फिक्स रूल है. फर्स्ट विल फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन. सो डेरिवेटिव, इसमें x और y का रिलेशन चाहिए ना इक्वेशन में. तो v का डेरिवेटिव सॉरी v का मतलब है dx by dt ना along x.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज एक्चुअली x चाहिए मुझे, एक्सेलरेशन नहीं चाहिए. x और y का रिलेशन चाहिए. और इसको dy by dt बोल सकता हूँ ना फिर, क्योंकि y में.
हाँ सर अलॉन्ग वाली
एनी डाउट इधर तक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So dx, can I say it will be 8t minus 2 into dt? Can I say like this?
Yes.
यस
अभी इसके बाद dx से मुझे x चाहिए.
सर इंटीग्रेशन
वेरी गुड. When time is 0, वो 0 पे है. When
-2
time 2, तभी x कितना बोला है? 14 है ना?
14 सर.
x 14 बोल दिया. इसको मैं x दे लेता हूँ पहले. At t equals to 0, x equals to 14. नहीं, at t equals to 2x. एक मिनट, क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोग को ये मालूम नहीं इसका लिमिट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन क्या है. तो dx का इंटीग्रेशन x ले लेना आप. इसका पावर का फॉर्मूला मालूम है क्या रहता है? ये x रेज टू n dx का फॉर्मूला.
n+1 upon n+1
x रेज टू n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 प्लस वी राइट कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. क्योंकि स्टार्ट में किधर है वो बताया नहीं है. आई कांट टेक 0 पे 0 था वो. 8 एज इट इज. इधर t का पावर क्या है बोलो?
so 1
1 है. तो अपना फॉर्मूला से क्या हो जाएगा? ये 2 ना.
t² upon 2 सर.
वेरी गुड. और दूसरा वाला ओनली 2, मतलब वो 2 t रेज टू 0 जैसा है ना.
हाँ सर
t रेज टू 0 1 होता है, इसलिए ऐसा किया. तो t रेज टू 0 मतलब फॉर्मूला में क्या आएगा? t रेज टू 1 अपॉन 1.
हाँ सर.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो ये 2t हो गया प्लस सम कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. Only copy till this. Vx equals to, ये मस्त सम है, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है
सर वो 2t कैसे है सर?
एक बार लिख लो, फिर मैं रब करके समझाता हूँ किधर से। पूरा एक बार इतना लिखो, फिर मैं रब करता हूँ, फिर समझाता हूँ किधर ऐसे आया। Vx पार्ट फुल लिखा, इधर तक लिखना आप, फिर जिसको डाउट है मैं समझाता हूँ किधर से आ गया। देखो एक्चुअली आईआईटी जैसा ही सम्स है, उसमें भी ऐसे आते हैं, जेडबल मेन में आते हैं। Only copy till this, till this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Can I clear this entire thing? Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
अब चल एक मिनट, जरा फॉर्मूला देख लेते हैं। x रेज टू n dx का इंटीग्रेशन इज x रेज टू n प्लस वन अपॉन n प्लस वन प्लस। अब इधर खाली अगर dx है तो आई कैन थिंक x रेज टू 0 dx है, बिकॉज एनीथिंग रेज टू 0 इज 1। इसका फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा 0 प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस c। So if it is 2 times dx, then can I write 2 integration of dx? That means 2 into x raised to 0 dx का integration. That means 2 x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, that is 1 plus। मतलब indirectly integration of dx x होता है। हाँ, अभी मुझे बताओ संदेश, what will be integration of dt? संदेश, what will be integration of dt? t plus c। Aryan Bagwe, what will be dy integration? Aryan,
Hello, hello.
what will be integration of dy?
Y.
Very good, correct. Raj,
Uh,
Rajvardhan, what will be integration of dx?
सर x plus c।
सुपर, कितना मस्त बोल रहे हैं आप। चलो सितेश, what will be integration of t raised to x dt? हमेशा साथ में t है तो dt रहना ही चाहिए। t raised to 3 upon 3, पावर एक बढ़ता है ना, 2 plus 1 3 upon 3।
यस सर।
ओके, अभी शायद समझा वो 2t के क्यों लिखा मैंने।
Yes sir.
So I got x equals to
8t square upon 2 minus 2t plus c.
how much?
8t square upon 2 minus 2t plus c.
That means it is 4t square
हाँ sir.
minus 2t na plus c, correct? Now when t equal to 0, sorry 2, then x is given 14. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So x is 14, t is 2, t is 2, so 14 equals to 4, 2 square 4 minus 2 to the 4 plus c, 14 equals to 4 4 the 16 minus 4 plus c, so 14 equals to 12 plus c, therefore 2 is c. So my equation x will become 4t square minus 2t plus 2, because c we got 2. Copy this now.
Done, sir.
Okay, so we got x in terms of t. अभी second case बोला है vy is 2, so dy by dt is 2, dy is 2 dt. v मतलब velocity, velocity means rate of change of displacement, y में इसलिए y लिखा है. What is integration of dy? Just now I explained so many things. Integration of dy,
Y.
y correct.
हाँ sir, y
Y
is equals to 2t.
बराबर 2t plus c भी लिख देना ना, plus c, क्योंकि लिमिट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन.
Yes.
हाँ sir.
अभी now what we know, when t is 2, then y is how much they have given? 4.
4.
4.
Y is 4, correct. So therefore we get y4 equals to 2 into 2 plus c. Therefore 4 equals to 4 plus c.
C 0 sir.
C0, sir.
c 0 हो गया y के लिए. तो y will become only 2t or not? तो ये x में जा रहा है, y में भी जा रहा है, मतलब है पैराबोलिक, यानी कि प्रोजेक्टाइल, दो मोशन है. तो t को एलिमिनेट करना है ना, आंसर x y में लेके आने का. So wherever you can see t, can I write y by 2? Okay, first copy till,
Yes, sir.
first copy till this. Copy till this, don't worry. Substitute y by 2 equals to t in equation 1. Please copy till this. I am going very slowly. You make yourself in comfort zone first. इसके बाद का सब चैप्टर इजी है. Y by 2 equals to t in 1 we are substituting. Therefore, from 1 x equals to 4, t is y by 2 का square minus 2 into y by 2 plus 2. So x equals to 4, y square by 4, ये 2 2 cancel, minus y plus 2, 4 4 cancel. So x equals to y square minus y plus 2. Do we have this option? X equal to y
Yes, sir.
square.
B.
Okay, that is the answer.
Option B sir.
ये सबसे टफ सम था, मतलब अगर किया नहीं रहेगा तो नहीं जमेगा. This we did sum number 62. Now you want 64. 64 is relatively easy. दिखने में बड़ा लग रहा है. Can I clear this from the screen?
Yes sir, 64 is easy.
Can I clear this? But see, किसी को कभी कभी नहीं आती है, होता है, क्लियर कर देता हूँ. Sum number 64. A particle is subjected to acceleration of a equal to alpha t plus beta t square, where alpha beta are constant. Position and velocity of particle at t equal to 0. Position is x0, velocity is v0 when time is 0. Expression for the position of particle at time t will be how much? मतलब एक्सप्रेशन फॉर पोजीशन मतलब x चाहिए आपको in terms of time. So what will be the position of the particle at any time t? What is this quantity? This quantity is what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. अभी acceleration से what you have to find? Distance चाहिए ना, distance.
हाँ सर.
Acceleration का फॉर्मूला वेलोसिटी में है क्या अपने पास?
हाँ सर, dv by dt.
dv by dt है. So dv by dt is alpha t plus beta t square. तो इससे dv will become alpha t plus beta t square into dt. So integration of dv is integration of alpha t plus beta t square dt. This time we know when time is 0, v is v0. When time is t, suppose v is v. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the previous sum, we were not knowing at start what is velocity. So we took that plus c वाला. इसका लिमिट मालूम है किधर से किधर है. Time 0, तो x x0, v v0. v है इसलिए v0 डाला. टाइम t पे कितना है मालूम नहीं, तो v लिख दिया. चलो, what is integration of dv बताओ आप लोग.
V.
सुपर. v बराबर, एकदम सही जा रहे हैं. अभी अल्फा टी का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होएगा? करंट अल्फा
Sir,
टी
alpha t square upon 2.
2 बराबर. एंड इसका क्या होएगा? t raised to 3 upon 3
Yes, sir.
from 0 to
हाँ सर.
3. हाँ. देखो सम अच्छा ही है, ऐसा इजी नहीं है इतना. इतना आपने सम किया तो डेयरिंग कर रहे हैं सुनने का, नहीं तो अभी तक भाग जाते थे. तो ये v माइनस v नॉट इक्वल्स टू अल्फा टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 प्लस बीटा t raised to 3 upon 3. That means wherever you see t, you have put upper limit. तो एक टर्म मिल गया. माइनस अल्फा 0 स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 प्लस बीटा 0 raised to 3 upon 3. तो ये 0 हो जाएगा ना, ये पूरा 0 into anything 0, 0 into anything 0. So you get v minus v0 is alpha t square upon 2 plus beta t cube upon 3. So v equals to v naught plus alpha t square upon 2 plus beta t cube upon 3. I hope you all followed till this.
Yes,
Rajvardhan,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Aryan, you have joined late. Have you all followed this much? हेलो राजवर्धन, वापस बताओ कुछ.
नहीं सर, समझा समझा.
आराम से स्लोली करेंगे ना, सब समझेगा. चलो कर लो, इतना इतना सॉल्व करो. We want actually x, we got till v.
Completed, sir.
Others have also completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got till v equals to v naught alpha t square upon 2 beta t cube upon 3. We got v equals to v naught plus alpha t square upon 2 plus beta t cube upon 3. Now v is nothing but dx by dt is v naught. plus alpha t square by 2 plus beta t raised to 3 upon 3. So dx equals to v naught plus alpha t square upon 2 plus beta t raised to 3 upon 3 into dt. So integration of dx is integration of v naught plus alpha t square upon 2 plus beta t cube upon dt. Again, when time is 0, distance they are telling it is x0. When time is t, distance I don't know, I have to calculate, that will be x. Now left hand side, dx ka integration means x. Limit is x0 to x equals to v naught dt. Mohit, you are there? Swaraj, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब देखो ऐसा v नॉट इंटू डी टी, ऐसा इमेजिन करो, v नॉट डी टी का इंटीग्रेशन, v नॉट तो कांस्टेंट है तो ये बाहर आ जाएगा. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ डी टी? t ना, t. So this will become v naught into t, clear? Plus alpha upon 2, t raised to 2 means t raised to 3 upon 3, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
और लास्ट वाला टर्म बीटा t raised to 3 का पावर बीटा अपॉन 3, t3 मतलब 4 अपॉन 4 फ्रॉम 0 to t. कुछ डाउट?
No, sir.
ओके, पहले इधर तक करो, फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप करता हूं, नहीं तो मिस्टेक हो जाएगा.
Sir, in the end, derivative of dt, that is t, will not come.
No. What again say? What you are saying?
Derivative of dt.
No, it is not dt. It is whole thing integrated with respect to dt, na?
Okay, sir, got it.
So that see, our formula of integration is not only with variable. It should be that variable and उसका d वाला factor. So ये सब into dt हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
So actually it is 3 term now. v naught dt, alpha t square upon 2 dt, beta t cube upon 3 dt, ऐसा है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक, करो, अच्छे से करो सब.
Done, sir.
One second, I'm going ahead now. Now our this wala term, x का upper value is x, lower value x naught, so x minus x naught हो गया. This is v naught t, मतलब t का जगह पे t, alpha 2 into 3 6 t cube plus beta 3 into 4 12 t raised to 4. Now clearly it is visible, second term का 0 डालेंगे तो 0 ही हो जाएगा, so I can stop here. So I get x equals to x0 plus v naught t plus alpha by 6t cube beta by 12 t raised to 4. Do we have this option? This option is there, just check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, क्या a b क्या है वो?
Option A, sir.
ठीक है.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, completed. This is the answer. So now I explained you 62 as well as 64. Then you want 65 and 69. sum number 65 and 69. सरोज किधर है बताओ. Next sum 65. I'm doing only till 65. नहीं तो overdose होगा. This part I can clear ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
65 इधर तक ही करता हूँ, नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए थोड़ा. Position x of particle varies as x equal to at square minus bt raised to 3. bt raised to 3. The acceleration of particle is 0. Acceleration of particle is 0 at time t. Acceleration of particle is 0 at time t. The acceleration of particle is 0 at time t, which will be equal. Matlab they ask what is time when acceleration is 0. This is the question. Now this is from x, you have to go to acceleration. That means I have to take derivative 2 times. First dx by dt is v. अब ये उल्टा हो गया, डेरिवेटिव आ गया, इंटीग्रेशन नहीं. a as it is t square का डेरिवेटिव 2t, b as it is 3 का t cube का 3t square. मतलब now power is becoming multiplier and one less. Integration में power was becoming divisor with one more. So v becomes 2at minus 3bt square. Acceleration is dv by dt. So this will become 2a, t का 1 होता है डेरिवेटिव, minus 3b t square का 2t. So a becomes 2a minus 3b into 2t, that is 6bt. Now a is 0, they are telling. Since a equals to 0, so 0 equals to 2a minus 6bt. 6bt equals to 2a. T equals to 2a upon 6b. Therefore, t equals to a upon 3. A upon 3b is the required answer. That is given in C, I think. Solve.
Done, sir.
Oh, that's all for today. Next, we are meeting on Friday. As usual, Sunday, no test. Please practice whatever you have asked me today once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
आज के लिए.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.